Best NFT games to play in 2021. Thetan Arena. Some other NFT games only launch on Windows, which means that if you want to play their games, your only choice is to use a Windows machine, which is kinda frustrating for Android and iOS users. There are also some NFT games that can be played on Windows and Android but cannot be played on iOS. Thetan Arena is a bit different. They launch their NFT games on 3 platforms at once, which means that these NFT game can be played on whether you are a Windows user, Android, or iOS user. This newest play-to-earn game is a kind of game called MOBA, aka Multiplayer Online Battle Arena, like the game Dota 2, League of Legends, Pokemon Unite, or the famous mobile MOBA games in Asia called Mobile Legends. If you are a gamer that loves to play MOBA, Thetan Arena might be your best choice for an. But if you are the kind of gamer that doesn't like MOBA, well, you need to like it. Why? Because it is not the kind of MOBA game that you might see before. Thetan Arena is play-to-earn, a game in which you can earn money by just playing, and you can play this game for free. Axie Infinity. A game that makes the NFT games famous in 2021. During the pandemic, a lot are searching for an income even at home, and Axie Infinity allowed many to make it happen. Axie Infinity is probably the most popular NFT game in the Philippines and India. It allows many to earn money even staying at home. The game Axie Infinity is a Pokemon-inspired game where players can battle, collect and trade pets for real profit. After you successfully register and install all the needed stuff for the Axie account, you need to buy your virtual pet called Axie. You need to form a team with a member of 3 Axie to play. You will need to invest first some real money in this game to start playing and earn real money. Since you don't have any Axies at first, you will need to buy the first 3 Axies using real money, and you will need thus 3 to play different game modes in Axie Infinity and start earning. In Adventure Mode, it is basically a PvE where you need to fight 3 monsters using your Axies. Once you defeated the monster, there are some rewards that you can claim like SLP, and sink them into your wallet for profit. In this mode you will fight some real players by using your existing Axies. This will reflect on the Axies that you buy, since you will need Axies that have a good attribute to survive in a PvP match. That's why some experts suggests that you need to be careful in buying your first 3 Axies. Don't get tempted easily to buy Axies that is cheaper, since some cheap Axies has a lower attribute that will not likely to survive on a PvP. Lost Relics. From some NFT game with more decent gameplay to a 2D MMORPG, and now we have a fully pledged 3D AARPG, with graphics that can be compared to Diablo Immortal. This NFT game compared to graphics are really good, and I am amazed at how this game look. But don't get me wrong, since I was a gamer and I play some games with better graphics than this, but for NFT games, I was expecting at first that all NFT games have just basic gameplay and graphics, but as I keep on exploring and hunting some legit NFT games, I was amazed how some NFT games like this can compete with some modern gaming that we usually play on our PC or our mobile devices. What is more impressive is that this game is just developed by one person, but even he is a one-man team of developers. He is not an ordinary man. He has a lot of experience in gaming development. For 20 years he created a lot of games from Windows, Xbox, PlayStation, Wii, Android, and iOS. And now he created this, a true masterpieces game that is backed up by blockchain technology that allows players to get some items that are truly owned by them, and they have a capability to fully own, destroy, or even sell them for exchange of real profit in a real world. Gods Unchained. Next on our list is another popular card-based play-to-earn NFT game called God Unchained. It is the same card-based NFT games like Splinterlands, but the difference is this game God Unchained is completely free to play, unlike the game Splinterland where you need to buy a summoner's spellbook that cost $10 in order to unlock the earning features of the game. In this game, God Unchained, you can earn and play without spending a single dime, but sad to say that this free-to-play NFT game is not available on mobile yet. It is only playable on a computer. It is downloadable and playable on both Windows or Mac OS. God Unchained are not a browser-based NFT game like some of the games that I've already featured, like the Chain Guardians, Luge of Kingdoms, Splinterlands, where you only need a browser to play. Here are God Unchained. You will need an update key. After you update and start the tutorials, you will be given a set of cards you can use in every card duel, but you need to do a little bit of research about this NFT game since it is a bit hard to play, but once you learn how this game works, you can play and earn some money.